To set up contactless payments on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to get an app that you want to use as your wallet. So in this case, I'm not going to download any apps. I'm just going to use the app that is already existing on this phone called Google Wallet. So here, when you have that app ready, open a settings on your phone, navigate into cross-device connectivity and scroll all the way down. Click on payment and access badge and click on default the NFC app and select the app that you're using as a wallet. After that, make sure that NFC is active, and now we can navigate into the app that we're using. So as I said, we're gonna go for the wallet, which I have right here. Then there's the option to click on the plus button. For some apps, it's just interactive. Find the button which allows you to add your card. Here we're gonna go for payment card and wait a couple of seconds until the app is loaded, and then you can add card by scanning it with your camera, or you can enter details manually. After it's done, you'll be able to use this card as a contactless payment. Simply close up your phone to the terminal to pay. You'll also need to make sure that NFC is active whenever you want to pay. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.